everybody, Sarah here, back with another plan with me, yeah! And I missed a week, I'm sorry, I am a poop head. Basically, by the time I realized I need to film, it was like way too late, and then as time went on, it was like, what's the point? I'll just wait and do the next week. Anyway, so we're gonna use this kit from Paper Honey for horizontal. You know, I've used some of her kits in the past. They're super cute. I love the colors. This got a lot of pastels in it. You guys know I'm digging the pastels. So let's get into it. My friend Emily is here. So yeah, that's all cool. She's making sure I get to work and get things done, and you know.
We have been adulting so hard. Yeah,
brunch. Very adult. We like got dressed up in fancy clothes and went and had brunch, and then we, oh right, I had to go do some like passport boring stuff, figure that out, and then we went to PetSmart to get Simon a harness so he can sit in his carrier.
That's so cute.
I had to get him a new carrier so he can fit under the seat in the plane. And he is so fat, he barely fits in it. I'm really anxious about it. I'm sure it'll be fine, but he's gonna hate life so much because it's not enjoyable. He's gonna really hate it. He's gonna hate it.
He's not gonna like it.
He's not gonna have a good time. So, yeah. But there's 6 of these. I screwed this up already. I messed it up already. I think I'm supposed to cover that part with that one.
Just use thin washi. It's okay.
So I'll need to find some washi that will work for that. Ooh, or maybe we could like
a unicorn.
Maybe we can do a special.
It's got little spots on it.
But it's like that's a plasticky though.
No. Okay.
That's the only problem with that. These ones are like the plastic one. We got glitter. We'll figure this out on our own. Okay, I smeared eyeshadow, eyeliner, something on my planner, and now I'm sad. Oh, so sad. Anyway, we'll put all these guys down. I think I'll just go this way. But yeah, we were at PetSmart, you know, doing our thing, looking for a dog harness that would fit a cat, a very fat cat.
He's a big boy.
He's a big fat boy. And then we were looking at like other stuff, fooling around or whatever, and someone came up and they were like, are you that person from Etsy on YouTube who does plan with me? So I was like, oh my god, yes I am. So this never happened, obviously. Like, I don't have a ton of people following, but it was the first time happening, and it turned out being one of my regular shoppers, Tara and her sister. So That was cool. Got to meet you guys. Hello. Now you know I'm a real person and I'm not gonna take your money and not give you things, you know. Now you know that I'm really alive.
I like how it's not like, you know, this is how I really am. You're like, I'm not gonna steal your money. Like,
I don't know. That's what people worry about when they buy online, right?
I guess so, yeah.
So there you go. I have been spotted in the wild. Being fabulous.
Yeah, I'm really glad we dressed up.
Yeah, because then we dressed up for the brunch, because otherwise we would have just wore sweatpants and like whatever.
Yep.
Not that I dress up a lot anymore. The key is that I have all that jewelry from when I used to sell Stella & Dot, so I just put some on. I'm like, I look fancy.
Hey, what up?
Hello, I look fancy today. Let's see. I still need to declutter pretty much everything in my apartment.
But we made really good headway on the clothes.
Yes, I went through clothes yesterday. I've got 2 full garbage bags to donate already. And I'm not even done yet. Some of that is actually Josh's old clothes too, but most of it is mine. I got really picky and was like, no.
You just stand at the closet and stare in there and look at your like 45 like 50s housewife dresses. And you're like, I don't know which one
I like my dresses, okay? I just don't wear them at home anymore. So it's like, oh, I used to wear these at work, but now I don't leave the house. So now I can wear joggers pants, which are just like sweatpants with pockets. So
there's a different name?
Yeah, they're called jogger pants. I don't know why, but the jogger pants seem to always have pockets from the ones I've seen.
You know that you can't put anything in pants that when you're jogging, because like, if I put my phone in there, I swear, the minute I took like, ooh, I put my hair in a ponytail and took one hot bouncy step, my phone would just immediately eject from my pocket.
Oh no, I took shit all the time when I,
Not when you're like running around though.
No, I did. I used to jog and like run. Yeah, it was fine.
I've only ever dropped my stuff everywhere.
You're like just jumping, you're like running like this, like yeah.
Yeah, I've got pep in my step.
I'm not trying to pep too much because then my knees will just like break on me. So
yeah, that's true. They hurt. It gets burny and hot.
Oh no!
Oh. It's okay. See, it's
R.I.P.
I'm sorry we're messing this one up.
Oh God, I'm sorry. I apologize to Paper Honey. Oh my God, it's so bad.
Additional apologies for the
Also, we've had a lot of coffee, so for the record, had a lot of coffee.
Yeah,
I'm going ombre on both sides, but this side gets to be the pink side, and this side gets to be the blue side. I don't care.
I care.
What anyone else thinks, Emily.
She cares a lot. And everything I say cuts deep.
I cry at night. Lots of tears. Lots of tears. Yeah. But, yeah, other than that, I have an official date for when I'm moving. So, basically the last week of April is when I'm moving. So, you may notice a couple of more plans with me might get missed in the next future because I don't know what's happening with my lighting equipment. And where it's going and when it's going.
You're starting from light to dark now.
Oh, thank you. Almost messed that up, even though she's kind of done it like it's meant to do that, but
oops.
It's okay. We're gonna do it the way I want it.
Yeah.
Which is not the way it's meant to be, but I don't care.
It's too late.
Really hyperactive. Lots of coffee today. Because it's like 5:30. Yeah.
I'm on my second wind. Last night I was just awake and it was like 5 a.m. and I was still awake.
You didn't sleep.
I was just up with the cat. Like, not that he kept me awake. I was just awake with the cat all night.
I ended up getting him a harness that has a bow tie on it.
That's really cute.
Because I need a harness for when he goes through security and stuff. And also a collar that has a bow on it. And then it has a bell on it, so we put it on him. He doesn't usually wear a collar because he usually breaks them off. But then he got really freaked out because he heard the bell dinging and he was trying to find it. So he was like prancing around, like chasing after himself, being like, where? It was really cute.
Sarah.
What?
Did you show off your Easter nails?
Well, I mean, like wearing them.
I don't know, but hold them closer to the camera.
I never do. They're just different colors. They're not...
They're real fancy.
They're pretty cool. I definitely like the mint color.
Yeah.
That's my favorite. I like it. I like it. I like it.
Mint is a Sarah breath hour color, and lavender.
Mink and mink and pint are my favorite color combinations. Pink and mint, all about that. So good. All right, Thursday is when I'm supposed to film. I'm having dinner with Elisa's family on the Sunday. I know that's going on. I think that's it for that week. Yeah, I think I want this.
Okay.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Please don't spill your coffee.
Okay, and then I've got, okay. Sorry, just checking my planner, my other planner. The planner that I scribble in, which is a plum planner for the record. All right, so then that's the work to do. So that'll just go in there. So that's cool. Cool. Guys, I'm really hyperactive.
I think it's really interesting how I've heard a lot of American people say like pink. Like it's more like a E.
Pink?
Pink.
Pink.
Like is
pink?
it like pink? Like
pink.
Like as if you're saying ink.
Pink.
They say pink. Like
pink. I wonder which American accent that is.
I don't. So I've always heard it in the people who are like around LA, but that could also just be
that could just be the Valley Girl like accent. I don't.
Pink.
That just went southern. That just went Dr. Phil on me. We just watched Dr. Phil. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna get made fun of pretty hard when I move, because I have some like Eastern Canadian things, like when I say sure and when I say windy. Apparently, I say Wendy.
Oh, yeah.
Like the burger place.
Yeah. That's
and my mom does. So Josh did it to my mom. He was like, okay, say Wendy, and she's like Wendy, and she was like, say Wendy, and she's like Wendy, and it was like say them both, Wendy. It was just like Wendy. Oh, it was good.
I feel like whenever my like country accent comes out, it sounds just like a really bad Irish accent, like.
Canada is interesting like that.
Yeah.
That's really does seem to be kind of like what we do.
Especially around, like some places in Ontario, you can hear that like Irish settler accent. Like you can hear it.
Yeah.
And like we'd say like the car. Like we don't say like
the cur. Goody the cur.
I
the cur. Turn the cur.
Yeah. Or like I gotta start this. Like
all right.
Start it.
Well, anyway, we're gonna do pen. Too bad we don't have more. Like I can't chat while we do pen.
We gotta start.
We can't. I can't. I gotta start the pen there. Okay. Okay, there. Eh? So we're gonna get that pen there on. Okay, and then we're gonna do that. Okay. Okay. So we'll be back there. Eh? Okay, well we got some deco going on. And so I just got the planner from the theme kit to put for the plan with me.
Sarah.
What?
Deck the planner.
What? What?
I said deck the planner.
I don't.
That's good, eh?
I don't, I think we're having an age gap here.
Okay.
I don't know what you're saying.
Like drop the beat. I'm embarrassed
like
already.
drop the bass, but
The planner. It wasn't that good.
I'm just gonna keep staring at you
It
and
wasn't
make
good
it
enough to
really,
say 4 times.
Really cringe. We're just gonna cringe it real good. Could you elaborate a little more, please?
Well, I was nervous at first that this joke was also too close to Deck the Halls, much like the Christmas
That's
jingle.
why I didn't get it.
And,
yeah, I was
and
like...
then I was scared, and I realized the joke wasn't funny at all. And then,
and then I panicked and I screamed internally, and now we're here.
I started sweating instantly.
So this one's Sticker Genie for the for scheduling some social media posts because I gotta do that. And I was gonna use this one from Hello Happiness Co. for Productivity Sunday. Just like the only time I ever get things ready in my head. I have to get like my whole head together and what I'm doing. Anyway, from Hello Happiness Co. again, we've got laundry for laundry day.
Oh my god.
You put it up here, so cute. I think that these I would just leave it out in case. We'll see. And then this is from Kina Prince. It's just a cute little like couple photo for 18 days until I'm officially living in the States.
Now,
That's
I
terrifying.
could be biased, but I feel like Sparkles fits really well in this color palette.
Yeah, Sparkles probably does. I don't have a lot of individual Sparkle sheets of my own.
That's fair.
I have the, oh wait, I have the coffee one. I have that one. It's right there. From Anxiety 8, I got my clean fridge stickers. You might be a little biased.
I am.
Just saying. And then I've got ones from Craftina for groceries.
I haven't been there for a long
Fine, I can use Sparkles.
Yes.
Where?
Well, we could plan a coffee day. What day do you want to go for coffee?
Friday. Friday makes sense because that you can make like an afternoon thing, right?
Yeah.
Like late.
Late coffee. That's what everybody's doing recently.
Coffee night.
Oh my god.
When I go to Seattle, I think it's easier to get to one that serves wine as well.
There's one in College Square that serves wine.
There's one downtown too that in the market that does, but it'll just be easier when it's in the States in Starbucks hometown. You know?
I'm just
Emily!
Sarah!
God damn it! Emily!
Right, I'm gonna miss you!
Oh, how did this zoom in so much? I want to know when that happened.
Oops.
Oh, okay, so it was when I hit it. That's gonna look so epic. Alright, I gotta make sure this is focused. Alright, cool. Well, this has been a very hyperactive planning thing. We're gonna film a monthly now. So that's gonna be it for this week. It's very simple, lots of simple colors, got the pastel going. It's so pretty.
And if you want to hear more screaming,
Be sure to tune into the April monthly kit spread. Well, we do that screaming out loud for your enjoyment. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video if you liked it. Drink more coffee or tea or whatever caffeinated beverage that you drink. And watch the other video. And we're going to keep doing this while I talk with every syllable. Yeah. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Simon loves you.
Simon does love you. And he's really fat.